Okay, let us continue our review. Chapter 2 of the Revised National Plumbing Code of the Philippines definitions for the N, O, and P. But before we proceed, please subscribe to this channel BRICE Academy and Consultancy at BRICE AC, MCGI channel, and Greenfriend Forever. To get access to membership perks, please click the join button in this channel and choose the membership type you wish. Yan po yung join button. Okay, nandito pa rin tayo sa plumbing terms, definitions. We'll finish up to letter P. Tatapos na tayo. Ilang letters na lang. And susunod na yung chapter 3. Okay, NOP, letter N, NAMPAP, National Master Plumber Association of the Philippines. Nuisance includes, but it's not limited to the following: any public nuisance known in common law or in equity jurisprudence. Whenever any work regulated by this code is dangerous to human life or detrimental to health and property, and adequate or unsafe water supply and or sewage disposal system. Yon. Next. Oakum, hemp or old hemp rope soaked in oil or tar to make it waterproof. Occupancy, the purpose for which a building is used or intended to be used. The term shall also include the building or room housing used. Change of occupancy is not interpreted to mean change of tenants or proprietors. Offset, in a line of piping is a combination of elbows or bends, which brings one section of the pipe out of the line but into a line parallel to the original section. P. Person, a natural person, uses heirs, executors, administrators, or assigns, and also includes a firm, partnership, or corporation, its or their successors, or assigns or agents of any of the aforesaid. PB, polybutylene, tube made of plastic material and colored black. The cross-sectional shape is normally oval and is denoted by its outside diameter, or OD. Normally used as water service connection from main to water meter. PE, polyethylene, tube made of plastic material and colored black. The cross-sectional shape is circular and is denoted by its outside diameter, or OD. Mapapansin natin, halos parehas yung definitions ng PB and PE. Ang pinagkaiba lang pag PB, normally oval. At PE, ang shape niya is circular. Okay? Pipe, a cylindrical conduit or conductor conforming to the particular dimensions commonly known as pipe size. It's denoted by its interior diameter, or IT. Okay, next, pitch. Yan. Pitch, balikan na lang yung grade, meaning ng grade. Plumbing, the art and a technique of installing pipes, fixtures, and other apparatus in buildings or for bringing in the supply, liquid substances and or ingredients and removing them, and such water, liquid, and other carried waste hazardous to the health, sanitation, life, property, also the pipes and fixtures after installation. Example, the plumbing system. Plumbing appliance, any one of a special class of device or equipment intended to perform a special plumbing function. Its operation and or control may be dependent upon one or more energized components, such as motors, controls, heating elements, and pressure temperature sensing elements. Such device or equipment may operate automatically through one or more of the following actions: time cycle, a temperature range, pressure range, a measured volume or weight, or the device or equipment may be manually adjusted or controlled by the user or operator. Plumbing appurtenances, manufactured device or prefabricated assembly or on-the-job assembly of component parts and serves as adjunct to the basic piping system, plumbing fixtures. An appurtenance demands no additional water supply, nor does it add any discharge load to a fixture or the drainage system. It performs some useful functions in the operation, maintenance, servicing, economy, or safety of the plumbing system. Plumbing firm, sole proprietorship or corporation composed of registered and licensed master plumbers together with allied professionals with the master plumbers composing the majority of the membership, incorporators, directors, and or executive officers and licensed master plumber only render the work and services within the cognizance of a registered master plumber, and members of the allied professionals also render work and services within the cognizance of their respective professions. Plumbing fixtures are approved life installed receptacles, devices, or appliances supplied with water or receive liquid or liquid-borne waste and discharge such waste into the drainage system to which they may be directly or indirectly connected. Industrial or commercial tanks, baths, and similar processing equipment are not plumbing fixtures, but may be connected to or discharged into approved traps or plumbing fixtures as provided for in this code. Plumbing officials, the administrative authority, or the officer charged with the administration and enforcement of the National Plumbing Code, or his regularly authorized deputy. Plumbing system includes all potable water supply and distribution pipes, all plumbing fixtures and traps, all sanitary and storm drainage systems, and pipes, roof drains, leaders and downspouts, and all building drains and sewers, including their respective joints and connections, devices, receptacles, and appurtenances within the property water lines in the premises, potable tap, hot and chilled water pipings, potable water treating or using equipment, fuel gas piping, water heaters, and vents for the same. Plumbing unit, minimum standard quantity of plumbing fixtures that discharge waste to a plumbing installation, including one water meter, one water closet, one lavatory, one shower head and drain for a bathtub or shower stall, one kitchen sink, one laundry trays, and three floor drains, and four faucets or hose beam. Pollution, an impairment of the quality of water to a degree which creates hazard to the public health and adversely affects the aesthetic and potable qualities of waters for domestic use. Potable water, water satisfactory for drinking, culinary, and domestic purposes and meets the requirements of the Philippine National Standards for Drinking Water. Pressure, the normal force exerted by a homogeneous liquid or gas per unit of area on the wall of the container. Static pressure, the pressure existing without any flow motion. residual pressure, the pressure available at the fixture or water outlet. Allowance is made for pressure drop due to friction loss, head, meter, and other losses in the system during maximum demand period. Primary branch of the winding drain is the single sloping drain from the base of a stack to its junction with the main building drain. Private or private use. Classification of plumbing fixtures. Private applies to plumbing fixtures in residences and apartments, to private bathrooms in hotels and hospitals, to restrooms in commercial establishment for restricted use, single fixture or group of single fixtures, and to similar installations where the fixtures are intended for the use of a family or an individual. Private sewage disposal system, septic tank with the effluent discharging into a subsurface disposal field, into one or more seepage pits, or into a combination of subsurface disposal field and seepage pit, or of such other facilities as may be permitted under the procedures set forth elsewhere in this code. Private sewer, a building sewer which receives the discharge from more than one building drain and conveys it to a public sewer, private sewage disposal system, and other points of disposal. Okay. Privy. Privy at an outhouse or structure used for deposition of excrement. Privy vault, a pit beneath a privy where excrement collects. Public or public use. In the classification of plumbing fixtures, public or public use shall mean all buildings or structures that are not defined as private or private use. Public sewer, common sewer, directly controlled by public authority, or to which all abutters have equal rights of connections. PVC, polyvinyl chloride, potable water pipings are coded blue. Drain pipes are manufactured with toxic components and are color-coded gray, orange, or brown. Okay, that's the end of our lecture for today. And our next lecture is definitions pa rin, QRS. The Chapter 2 of the Revised National Plumbing Code of the Philippines, 1919. Okay, for inquiries, comments, and suggestions, please may comment in this video or the email and number shown on the screen. Okay, have a great day. Hopefully, this video would help you to pass the Master Plumber board exam. Good luck and have a great day. See you in the next lecture. Thank you very much.